Today we're making tres leches cake, and so I already got the prep ingredients. So I got a box of cake mix, classic white, and I got 4 large eggs, 1 cup of water, and 1/3 cup of olive oil or vegetable oil. And what I'm gonna be putting it in after it's done mixing is a 9x13 baking pan, and I got parchment paper right here so the cake doesn't stick to the pan. So we're gonna start mixing it right now, the ingredients. So now that we finished mixing all the ingredients together and it's at a good consistency, we are gonna pour the batter inside of the 9x13 baking pan. So now the oven is done preheating, so now we're gonna carefully put the batter inside of the oven. That's it. So now we're gonna keep that in there for 30 minutes and I'll catch you. After that is done baking, we're gonna make the sauce to soak the cake, to make it milky. So we have 12 fluid ounces of evaporated milk, and 12 fluid ounces of heavy whipping cream. So we're gonna put that in a saucepan. And we're gonna put this. Okay, so now when the cake is cooling, which it's doing right now, we're gonna be making this. We're gonna turn it to medium low, so about 3 on the pan, and we're gonna put a cinnamon stick in, add more flavor. So we're gonna get that to a quick simmer, and when it's at a simmer, then see. Now that it's come to a little simmer, we're gonna turn it off and let it cool for a little bit. We're gonna take the cinnamon stick out of it right now. See? Cinnamon stick. Hold up. Take it out. Mix a little bit more and let it cool for a little bit. So now that the sauce has cooled down a little bit, hold up, let me mix it a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna put it in here so it's like easier to put on top of the cake when it's done. So put it in there. This in the sink. Here. Oh yeah. Okay, so there should be enough of condensed milk. You can lick the spoon if you want, but I'm not gonna do that. So now that that's done, we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just bought this stuff today. Okay. 1 teaspoon should be enough. Alright. Okay. So now we're gonna mix it, and when it's all mixed, we'll let you know. So. We have a little bit more holes on the side. Get that all soaked in. Okay, almost done. A little bit left. Let me put some holes on the side right here. So right now we gonna add some plastic wrap in here. That out. And cover it. Not that much. Slice it like that. Yep. And oops. So now that the cake is almost done, and we're starting the empanadas. So right here I have, so this is for the dough. So 3.5 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. We got 1.5 cups of water, cold water. 12 tablespoons of butter. 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/2 tablespoon of salt. So we are gonna add right now the sugar, and the salt. And now we're gonna add, wait, hold up, we gotta mix it first. So, all right, mix it. We're gonna add the butter. Inside of it. And once all of the butter right here is done mixing with the flour, we will see you later. Alright, so now that we're done mixing all the butter together, it should have like a powdery consistency like this. And then now we're gonna add the water. Okay. We're just gonna mix it all together. Okay? Alright, and we will see you when it has a really nice consistency. Alright, so now we got all of our stuff chopped up to make the stuffing for the empanadas. So we put the heat at medium high, 5, and we put a little bit of olive oil and let the olive oil get hot. So we're gonna let that cook for about 5 minutes. And when it is done, we're gonna put the onions in. Okay, so I'll see you in 5 minutes. Alright, now that it's been cooking for a little while, oops, it's gonna burn a little bit. Now it's been cooking for like 4 minutes. Then we gotta add our onion. This is half of one onion, half of a whole white onion. We'll turn this down a little bit. Real quick. Okay. Now let that cook. And add a little bit more olive oil. Now see, let that cook for about another 2 minutes with each other. Now see, 2 minutes. Water has been cooking together for about 2 minutes. It's time to add our meat. That's 2 pounds of lean ground beef. Ground turkey. So, along with that, we're going to be adding our minced garlic and all of our seasoning. Okay, now we're going to be cooking this for about 8 to 10 minutes. So now it is basically done. So I turned the fire off, and we're just gonna let it sit here and cool for about like 5 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes. This is how you make the empanadas. So we have a little bit of flour here. I already cut them out into 20 little balls. So take a little bit more flour in here. Right here a little bit. Put it on here like that. I don't have a rolling thing, so I'm just using a cup. It works just as well. And I just roll it a little bit. Even it out like this. All around. Grab it. Okay. And then add a little bit of cheese for the stuffing. And then stuffing to it. A little bit more, just a little bit more stuffing. Okay, so you need it a little bit on the outside, and then you take it one end, you wrap it around, push the meat in a little bit, and then you. Okay, so it didn't break. I thought it would break. Okay, so. So you grab a fork, you do it like that, combine it like that, and yeah, this is done. Now we're gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 more, and I'll see you. I finished my empanadas. I put them in the fridge and let them chill for 1 hour. So now we have the oil getting ready for it to fry. it's gonna get ready, and I'll see you when we start putting the empanadas in. Now that the oil is ready and heated up, we have one empanada. Careful. And we put 3 empanadas at the same time. Let it cook for about 8 minutes. Okay. And yeah, you flip them for halfway in, and yeah, you let it be like that. I will show you the end results when they're all done. So my nana's gonna try it. So the empanadas. Here you go.
Delicious.
Okay, now dip it in the sauce.
Very good.
Okay.
Ooh, very hot.
There you go. Now tomorrow we're gonna show you the tres leches cake. Thank you, my cameraman. How is it, Damon? Try it.
It's pretty good.
It's good?
Huh?
Alright, good. How's it now?
Let's see. Delicious. Great job.
Thank you.